Well, welcome back to my channel, everybody. Chris Gault here, Healthy Living with Chris Gault. And if you're watching this, you made it to day 26, so that is fantastic. Great job. Let's get to it. All right, well, today is a rest day, so you have that option, obviously, of either doing an upper body workout, resting the legs. Remember to do that. So you can do an upper body resistance workout. You can do yoga stretch or other type of stretch, but just make sure you rest the legs. Don't don't do like heavy squats or anything like that. Make sure you rest the legs for tomorrow because you'll have a workout then. So I'm going to hand you over to Coach Robin, and she has a very important message to tell you. So you want to listen to that because you want to do as best as you can in this program, and these tips that she gives you are going to help you get through the program. So here's Robin.
All right, guys, good job working out this week. And we are here Friday, our rest day. And again, we've earned our rest day, and we really should use it to get ready for tomorrow, our bump up day. All right? So what I'm going to talk to you about today is something we call good form running. Now, I've talked to you about it already. I've given you little pieces of it, and I wanted to put it all together today and add one more part, all right? Now that we're running more, I think it's a good time to talk about this. So I'm just going to review, and it's really posture. So, the first thing we want to do is stand up straight. Pretend that we have a string pulling us up on top of our head, pulling us up so we're standing up straight. We do want to relax our shoulders, right? We don't want them up here. That takes energy, I told you, and we need all the energy we can get for our running. So let's keep our shoulders relaxed. Let's keep our arms at a 90-degree angle. Nice and loose. Our hands are not clenched. They're like we're holding potato chips, and we don't want to crack those potato chips, right? And then we're going to have nice athletic knees, right? And then we're going to lean at our ankles. And remember, when we start to lean, we're going to fall, and we don't want to fall, so our foot automatically comes out to stop us. And if we keep leaning, we have to keep putting our foot out in front of us to stop us. So that's what allows us to run. I mentioned earlier, the more you lean, the faster you're going to run, but we don't need to worry about that right now. But the last part of the good form running that I want to mention is cadence, all right? So cadence is the number of times each foot hits the ground. So like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's cadence, all right? Now what we want to keep is a 180 cadence. And I don't expect you to count, to 180. So you might want to, if you have your phone with you, you can download a free metronome app and set it at 180 and just practice with that. And then, you'll see what 180 is for you. And what that allows you to do is it allows you to shorten your stride. You don't want a long stride. That's not very efficient, okay? You don't want a long stride. You want a short stride, meaning you don't want your foot to come out too far in front of you. You want to shorten up your stride, all right? That's going to make you much more efficient. And if you remember a 180 cadence, that's going to automatically shorten up your stride because you won't be able to get a 180 cadence in if your stride is really long. It's going to be a much slower cadence, all right? And so I don't expect you to remember all of this and to practice all of it, so I don't want to overwhelm you. But what you can do is when you're out there running and you're starting to get a little fatigued maybe, think of one thing. Think of the posture, or think of your arms. And remember, I didn't mention, keep your arms going front and back, right? Not side to side, because we want our arms to go in the direction we're going. And just pick one thing and think about it. Am I standing straight? Are my shoulders relaxed? Are my arms at 90 degrees? Are my fingers clenched, or are they holding a nice potato chip? What is my cadence? Am I leaning at my ankles? Just pick one of those and think about it when you start to get fatigued, and then that will help you. There's one other thing that if you are going up a hill, if you have any hills on your route, one thing that can help you get up the hills is when you're pumping your arms, and your arms will help you move forward. So when you're pumping them and you're going up a hill, pump them up a little bit, all right? That will help you get up that hill. Chris used to tell me when he was in cross country, his coach used to tell him, pretend you're pulling on a string, and that'll help you move forward too, all right? So just think of some of those things. You can rewatch this over and over and just to help remind you. But that's what we call good form running, and that's what I wanted to talk to you about today. And so I want you to rest. Remember, you know what you can do. You can do yoga for runners, you can do stretches for runners, you could do an upper body workout, but you know all that. And so let's have a nice rest day, and I will see you tomorrow for our bump up day. Have a great one, guys.
All right. Day 26 is done. I'm glad that you got a good tip in there from Robin, and we're ready to go. You're ready to move on to day 27, which will be tomorrow. If you do like this program, make sure that you give it a thumbs up. Also, make sure you subscribe to the channel. That way you'll be notified when the videos go up, in case you forget. But you shouldn't, because every day you're going in because you've got a workout. Tomorrow is a workout, and Coach Robin will let you know what that workout is. So until tomorrow, we'll see you. Take it easy and get ready for tomorrow, and we'll see you. Have a good one, everybody. If you like this video, please click on the thumbs up button, and also please subscribe and click on the notification button to get all this great content that's coming up every week. Thank you.